Crafts that make kids smile. Bubble snake water bottle craft. Hi everybody. Today we're going to be making some bubble snakes, and what you need is some empty water bottles. Any kind will work. You can use a sock or you can use a washcloth. You'll need some rubber bands. You need a pair of scissors. You'll need some kind of a dish to put the bubble snake into, and then you'll need dish detergent and some warm water. How it works is you take your water bottle. This is where you might need some parent help, and you're going to cut off the end of the water bottle with some sharper scissors that can get the end completely cut off so it looks like this. The end is about this thick. So you're going to just cut the end off of each water bottle. And then you get your sock, preferably maybe one of the old socks that you have that maybe is a mismatch, or it could be a new sock also. And you just put your sock over the bottle like it is shown here. And if it does get a little too long, you can also just flip it over if you need to. So that is the first step. If you don't have any socks laying around that you could use or want to use, you can also use a washcloth. Again, you'll cut the bottom off of the water bottle. And then you can get your washcloth. And if it is a little bit too big, that's okay. You can even cut your washcloth or do whatever. You just wrap it around the end. And then you get a rubber band to tie it off. And we'll put one around. It looks like that's going to be enough. And then you have your sock and you have your washcloth that you can wrap around your bottle. Next, you're going to make the solution. With the solution, you're going to put some dish soap. I have Dawn here. And then you're going to put some warm water into that. And then you can mix that up just to make sure it's all in there. And I have a dish here laid out just so it doesn't make too much of a mess. And I'm just mixing that up so you have it. And we'll start here with the sock. You're just going to dip this in and make sure your sock is covered on the bottom. I think you can see there, it's dripping out. Only about a ½ an inch or so. And then when you go outside, or you can do it inside if it's raining into a dish, remind your kids not to actually take the air in. They're going to blow out, and this is what they'll make. And it's really fun to do, especially when they go outside. They can make this long snake and just kind of play with the bubbles. And again, it can continue to do this until you need to dip it in again. And it makes a big fun craft for the kids to enjoy. If you want me to try the washcloth one, I can do the same. We'll dip that in. Hopefully there's enough to cover. And then you do the same exact thing. And it makes a big, fun craft for the kids to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this lesson and be the reason that someone smiles today. Don't forget to subscribe. Crafts that make kids smile.